Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for your Synology DS723 NAS system. The Arch Memory 8GB DDR4 ECC SODIMM. If you're looking to boost the performance and reliability of your NAS, this memory module might be exactly what you need. This particular module is a 260-pin DDR4-3200 PC 4-25600 ECC SODIMM, running at a speedy 3200 MHz. It's designed to be compatible with the Synology DS4 ES02-8G, ensuring a seamless integration with your DS723 One of the key features here is the ECC, or error correcting code. This is a big deal for NAS systems because it helps to detect and correct memory errors, which can be critical for maintaining data integrity, especially when you're dealing with important files and backups. The module operates at a standard 1.2 volts and has a CAS latency of 22. Installation is straightforward, as it's a SATA module, making it easy to slot into your DS723 The upgrade allows for faster access to crucial data, which translates to improved overall system responsiveness. You'll notice quicker loading times for applications, smoother multitasking, and an overall snappier experience when accessing files on your NAS. Arch Memory also backs this product with a lifetime replacement warranty, which gives you peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. It's always reassuring to have that kind of support, especially for components that are essential to the stability of your system. In summary, the Arch Memory 8GB DDR4 ECC SODIMM is a solid upgrade choice for your Synology DS723 NAS. The ECC functionality, combined with the 3200 MHz speed, provides a noticeable performance boost and enhanced data reliability. And with the lifetime replacement warranty, it's a worry-free way to improve your NAS experience. If you're looking to get the most out of your DS723 this memory upgrade is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.